people? I'm making a quick video to show you how to make Herbalife 24 Rebuild Strength.
You want 4 ice cubes? 1.
After you have 4 ice cubes, you enter 2 scoops with 8 fluid ounces of water. But what I like doing is putting milk for the extra cholesterol. No, I'm just kidding. For the extra 9 grams of protein. You know you're trying to get those gains, you gotta get all the protein. I always like mixing about 12, 16, 14, 12. Right here. Looks delicious. Basically tastes like chocolate milk. First scoop. Compact, all the way full from the bottom to top. Second scoop. Blend it all together and make yourself the shake ready. This is the result of your steps. Might have a little bit of chunks of ice, but it don't matter. See, nothing goes to waste. You don't have to scrape nothing off the bottom. Perfect fit. But you know, if you're a fiend and you want to lick all that off and scoop it up with your tongue and your fingers, go right ahead, you know. I ain't judging. I ain't freaking judging.